Guys, so 4x4at.com back on. This is part 2 of the Ranger 16 to 19 Warn winch install. So you see now we've got the front bumper back on, and to do that we've just made a small incision here in the front valance and another one at this side. Front valance goes back on. We've put the remote lead, the operational lead this side here. We've mounted it in this void here. Richard, one of our techies, has made this plate here. The controller just simply clips onto there, and then this cover covers it over nicely. So that's a bit of a small fabrication job to do that. This cover does come on top of the control unit, so we've just taken it off the top of the control unit, which is sort of located in this area up here. But once you get the front bumper back on, there's no access to clip in the lead there, so we've just taken the rubber off the top of the control unit and we've resituated it there. I think you'll see overall what we've done to it, and it's quite a nice job. And this is on the 3.2 16 to 19 Ranger. 4x4at.com, UK, full details, worldwide exports available. Thanks for watching.